Rather than shy away from a challenge, the filmmakers in these next categories have embraced it, presenting stories in a limited time frame.
But these limits had no effect on the types of stories they could tell or the depths they could explore.
Here are the nominees for Best Documentary Short Film.
The Elephant Whisperers, Kartiki Gonsalves and Guneet Monga. Haul Out, Evgenia Arbugayeva and Maxim Arbugayev. How Do You Measure a Year, Jay Rosenblatt.
Measure a year.
The Martha Mitchell Effect, Anne Alverge and Beth Levison. Stranger at the Gate, Joshua Seftel and Connell Jones. And the Oscar goes to The Elephant Whisperers, Kartiki Gonsalves and Guneet Monga.
Guneet Monga was amongst the first producers from India to be inducted into the Academy. Kartiki Gonsalves' work travels extensively to capture visuals that will raise awareness about cultures, animals, and the environment.
I stand here today to speak for the sacred bond between us and our natural world, for the respect of indigenous communities, and empathy towards other living beings we share our space with, and finally, for coexistence. Thank you to the Academy for recognizing our film, highlighting indigenous people and animals, to Netflix for believing in the power of this film, to Bowman Belly and for sharing their sacred tribal wisdom, to Guneet, my producer, and Sikya, to Douglas Blush, my mentor, and my entire team, and finally to my mother, father, and sister who are up there somewhere, and you are the center of my universe, to my motherland, India.